This is the Hello World Podcast. Let's talk about clients, Tom. You're an expert in this. Award-winning CMO and marketing and selling, and of course, there's that overlap. No, but marketing is really awareness. How do you get and then keep your first batch of clients, your earliest clients?
Yes. So this is probably my favorite topic. I feel like as much as there can be a science to this, it is a science. And I've not only have I done a lot of marketing work and go-to-market strategy, but I have been on the other side. I've been a salesperson. I've sold to over 300 Fortune 1000 companies in my sales career. And what I would say is there's a real big buzz in just the online community now. It really spiked a couple months ago, but people talking about empathy. I use that term. I always use the term pain points. What I realized was it's such a hard thing for young salespeople to know, but when you're talking to a potential prospect or a target about their world, their existence, they are up late at night thinking about what is blocking them from hitting their goals. They're thinking about what obstacles are they facing on a daily basis. They're thinking about how do I get my staff their bonus? How do I get my bonus? How do I get out of work at 5 o'clock on Friday? They're thinking about how do I get my manager who's antagonistic to stop being antagonistic? It's pretty basic. And when you talk to them, you probably, if you're keen, you can probably think, let me do some research on CFOs at large manufacturers, or let me do some work on CEOs of startups. You could probably figure out what their 2 or 3 biggest pain points or problems are. You could find out what their goals are. You could find out what their problems keeping them from those goals. My argument to any young salesperson, especially an entrepreneur would be, when you're selling, laser focus on the client and their experience. In many times, entrepreneurs absolutely fall in love with their world. They fall in love with, I'm staying up late. I've built something better. I'm more honest than my competitor. I've made a new button that's blue and it's better. And they want to talk about all the stuff that they did in a laboratory to make their product better, because that's their world. It's 2 feet in front of their face. They can't get away from it. And if I go in to sell a CFO and I tell him, you don't understand, I stayed up all night with this. I made it blue. My competitor only has red. I work harder than anyone. I still haven't talked about anything the CFO cares about.
Yes.
Like he's thinking, I don't have a strategy for cash flow, in the wake of COVID-19. So what you need to do is totally put your product on the side and engage them just where it hurts them. Talk to them about, and you don't have to ask what hurts you. You can guess. You could probably figure it out. So the first thing is empathy, focus on pain points. There's a whole lot of strategies around this. It's very simple to say. A lot of it's a little bit trite, but there are strategies to be a steward of the industry's pain points, to be a thought leader. I always say that thought leadership doesn't mean coming up with the best ideas. Thought leadership means hosting the most meaningful conversation and standing next to it. So how do you be a thought leader on what your target market is suffering from, so that you're seen as somebody who might have a solution for them?
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.